Good morning and welcome to today's pre-market video. Now in today's pre-market video we're going to take a look at the FinNifty Index, what option buyers and option sellers can do with it, and also then we're going to take a look at Reliance Industries, at what equity traders plus option traders can do with the index. Now before we look into that, on the news front there's not much on the international news front to discuss, as everyone is still sitting with the same fear: will Israel attack Iran or anything on that area? But otherwise there's nothing else on the international news that will really affect our markets tomorrow. On the domestic news, there's one rumor that has started circulating around. I hope it's true, and I'm sure a lot of traders hope it's true too. There is a rumor that the SEBI chief will be getting the sack and a new person will be coming in, as they've started the search. Now just this rumor will fuel a bit of positivity in the markets, I think, and it will try to help stabilize the indexes and the stocks even. So that is why I'm not ready to fully trust this rumor yet. This is as it can be just some ploy by the government to stabilize the markets. As the markets, whether we look at large cap, mid cap, small cap index, everything has literally got wiped out in the past few days, and they want to cause a bit of stability. So it can be that also. Now on to Reliance Industries. Now Reliance Industries, the last time I analyzed it, I had given a support of 2735, and I have not updated any of the supports in this video. I've kept the same, and I've kept the updated the resistances, but kept the supports the same. If there's background noise, just ignore it. It's a lot of thunder and lightning. Now Reliance Industries has managed to hit the support, my support at 2735, and now the big question is going to be, will it hold? Now I personally have cashed out of all my shorts in Reliance Industries. This is as I don't want to give back any of the profits. I had PE buys hedged, and I had also CE sells. I've cashed them out, and I think it is near a point at which we can have a dead cat bounce. Why am I saying a dead cat bounce? This is, I think, any up move right now will be rather a trap. It's not going to be something that you buy at, let's say, 2735 and think you're going to sell in a month at 3,200, 3,300. It's not going to happen. I believe this up move, if we get it, there will be a dead cat bounce. First target is 2,800. If we clear that, then 2,840 and 2,900. Beyond that, Reliance will struggle to go, and we will have to see a huge change in the volume build-up for us to go beyond 2,900. As of now, I think we might go a bit below here, 2,735, and form a base and then try to have a dead cat bounce. So now let us see how things go. So my option trading plan is, I'm going to stick to intraday trading for Reliance. If it holds 2,735 and a bit below, then I'll look for a buy signal, mainly via the trend catcher indicator and the volume build-up indicator. If these two match with the price action on the chart, I'll take a long with the targets of 2,800, 2,840, 2,900. If I'm doing option buys on the upside, I would love to go into PE sells, but I don't think I should, and I won't basically go into PE sells because of the Israel-Iran risk. Because by chance they fire, then the next morning your PE cells will be in such a bad condition that you will not know what to do. So I'm avoiding anything positional in Reliance right now. Positional, I'm going to focus on the indexes rather than stocks. I've booked all my stock shorts, as I think majority of the fall is done for now. Should have a bounce, and then I'll look for a short again to go back down. So that is my trading plan for Reliance Industries. Now going on to FinNifty. FinNifty has had one hell of a fall also, and those who've been watching my pre-market videos on a daily basis know when we had reached the top, I was saying it's a market top, and I did that. I sold C's like crazy, across indexes, across stocks, and you can see the results. Now, according to me, in tomorrow's trading session, tomorrow as I record this the night before, there are two very important levels. The first is 23,350 and second is 23,700. This is as long as it is between this zone don't trust anything going up and don't trust anything going down. This, within this zone, we're going to end up getting V-shaped moves that will trick both sides, and we can see that even today. It went up towards here, then came back down hard, and whoever had gone long, if they had not booked their longs at this point, they were taken back to square zero. So my trading plan as an option buyer between this zone 23,350 and 23,700, I will look at both longs and shorts, not look at anything cleanly. By chance we break 23,700, that's when I look for clean long for 23,860 and 23,950. On the other hand, if we break 23,350, then I think a quick short can be done to 23,200, and that is a very important support. If we break that, then 23,020 is the next target, but most likely 22,900 will be hit. So this breaking will give us a very big move. This breaking will give us an okay, good move. So that's my option buying trading plan. Now what's my option selling trading plan? Now my option selling trading plan, due to what I said, I think I will play cautious tomorrow. I don't want to play aggressive, as I think if you try to play aggressive tomorrow, then you're going to get into trouble. I will be selling puts below 23,200. If you're aggressive, 23,350, but I will most likely play, unless we open at this same closing, then I might sell puts below 23,350. Otherwise, I'll play it safe and sell below 23,200, and then I will most likely enter put sells first, not at open, but I will let the market settle a bit, and I'll wait to see two things. Number one, in the 15-minute chart and above the trend catcher indicator, the black line has come back above red. You cannot expect it to be above zero, as it has a long way to climb, but the black line should have come back above red, and the volume buildup should have improved to neutrality, like let's say we chose here. Not to how here, if you look at the shadows behind, that's the bullish volume. The bullish volume is roughly around here. Yeah, so I want a neutral to come in, and if that happens, that is when I'll start selling puts below 23,350 if I'm aggressive, or cautious 23,200. If I see one of these things do it, then I'll be cautious. If I see by chance both give the signal, then I'll sell 23,350 and below. Call sells, I will wait for a spike and then end up selling most likely 23,700 and above. Now, if it goes to 23,860, 23,950, I will not worry for only one reason. I'm waiting for a spike. I'll want to see a spike, and then at the moment on the spike, since anyone who uses my volume indicator knows, it immediately starts to show a volume change in the 5-minute chart, 3-minute chart, whichever time frame you use, 15-minute chart. Now, as soon as it shows there's a volume change shifting happening if we rise, that's when I'll end up selling calls of basically 23,700 and above. This is even if at that moment it goes, let's say it goes to 23,750, and it's at 23,750 when I sell calls, and it goes to 23,860, we'll still have sold. Let's say it's trading at 100, and it will go to 120, but then it will start coming back down as the volume starts to weaken and the bears start to put a fight back. So I'll be selling now puts and calls tomorrow at a completely different time, unlike most of the videos which I've done in pre-market where I sell them at the same time, or I say at open I'm going to sell puts directly and then I'm going to sell calls at this in the latter part of the day. No, this is going to be sold tomorrow purely on the volume build-up and trend catcher. This is as I don't think you can just go and sell. If you're thinking you're just going to go and blindly sell, then most likely you'll get beaten up, and then you'll start complaining on social media that the indexes did bad to you. You did not follow the rules, so that's why it happened. So that is my trading plan for the FinNifty. I've shared my trading plan for Reliance. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any questions or want certain stocks analyzed, drop them in the comment section below or WhatsApp them now to the number shared below. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching.